Everyone, Hamoile Oluwaseyi Deji, also known as Patka Baji Square. Many people have been asking me the meaning of Patka Baji Square since I dropped my part one on how to learn forex for beginners. What you need to know as a beginner before you jump into forex. You must know what you want to go into. You must know the business that you want to invest your money into. Are you getting what I'm saying? So the real meaning of part cap now means that I'm a price action trader and I catch all pips by God's grace. So the P stand for the price, the A stand for the action, the T stand for the trader, the C stand for catch, the A stand for all, and the P stand for pips. And that by the G square means God's grace. Are you getting what I'm saying? It's because I believe whatever things I'm doing in this life is just God's grace. That is it. Because there are so many traders in the world like that are not that profitable. We're not that we're talking about them like that, but just believe that everything that works well for you must undergo God's grace. Now, this is the part two, and I want you to concentrate and I want you to study it very well. I want you to know it very well. These are the second things that the second stage that you need in forex. You must, and please, before we proceed to the stage two, I want you to subscribe. I want you to like and turn on the notification buttons, because the more subscriber we get, the more you give me the inspiration to drop more videos. Are you get what I'm saying? To drop more knowledge for you guys to share. And once we reach 5,000 subscribers, I promise you free signals. Though it might not be as much as the signal that we do drop in my academy, but I promise you signals are going to make you to be very, very profitable. Now, let's start with the most important thing in Forex, the sell of Forex. This is the skull of Forex, pips. So, what is a pip? A pip is the smallest unit in which a currency pairs can move, whether either meta or cryptocurrency whatsoever. Pips is the smallest unit that they can move, and pip is the bedrock of forex. Everything you'll be doing in forex, you will always encounter pip. Pip, it is very, very important. You must not miss this knowledge about pip. I'm going to show you practically how to calculate your PEEP. Are you getting what I'm saying? I'm going to show you that. Are you getting what I'm saying? So don't be scared. I'm going to show you how to calculate your PEEP. So we should move down now to concept of bid and ask price. What is a bid price? A bid price is the price that buyers are willing to buy. Bid price is the price that buyers are willing to buy. And the ask price is the price that sellers are willing to sell. I'm going to show you with diagram right now the concept of this bid price and the ask price. Yeah, you can see on my screen right now. That is the bid price, because I'm using this example of Euro USD at 1.1043. That is the bid price, and 1.1044, that is the ask price. So that is the price that buyers are willing to buy, and that is the price that sellers are willing to sell. The ask price is the price that sellers are willing to sell. Are you getting what I'm saying? So that is just the concept about the bid price and the ask price, though I'm going to tell you the advantage later on when you get to my academy. Now we move to the concept of spread. Now I've already explained to you the bid price and the ask price. Spread is now the differences between the bid price and the ask price. Spread is like what your broker gains from you. They are just the third party, they are the intermediary between you and the world market. So the thing that they make from you is just your what? Your spread. That is what they make from you. It is your what? It is your spread. Are you getting what I'm saying? Now talking about the forms of trading orders, though we have so many forms of trading which I'm still going to show you on the screen, but let me just explain it to you theoretically now. Forms of trading orders, we have the market execution. Some brokers might call it instant execution. We have the limit order, and we have the stop order as well. Some brokers do have stop limit order as well. Are you getting what I'm saying? So under the limit order, we have the buy limit, the sell limit, which you don't need that one at this particular stage until you get to my academy. That is when you are going to need it, and the sell stop and the buy stop as well. But as a beginner, you just need to focus on instant execution, market execution, or market execution for now. Are you getting what I'm saying? So that is all you need to just focus on. Now we move to the concept of take profit and stop loss. Take profit is a method of you telling your broker, once you have set it, that once my profit reach this particular price, please close it for me automatically. That is what you are telling your broker. You are telling your broker to what? To close your profit for you automatically. So once it reach that particular level, you want your broker to close your profit for you automatically. That is the concept of the take profit. And stop loss means that, okay, in case my analysis is not right, maybe you don't have good education, or you made mistake doing your analysis, or you are still doubting yourself as a beginner, your stop loss is what is going to prevent you from huge loss. Once you set your stop loss, you are telling your broker that once you should move against me to this level, please close that little loss for me. Are you getting what I'm saying? So that is the concept about that. Your leverage is the ability of you using something small to get something big. Like, you should be able to trade with $100 on a bigger lot sizes. So your leverage will help you with that. Your lot sizes are the like your price. I'm going to show everything on the screen, like the price that you're willing to like pick up the trade, like a standard lot now. A pip on a standard lot is $10. On a mini lot, which is 0.1, I'm going to show you that on the screen, it is $1 for a pip. And on your micro lot, a pip is $1. On your mini lot, a pip is 10 cents. Are you get what I'm saying? Don't worry, don't get confused. I'm going to show you that on the screen. The rest of risk management, common mistake made by traders, I'm going to drop videos on those ones specially later. And trading plans, once you get to the academy, there are so many ways, there are so many trading plans that I do give to my student that is going to make them very, very profitable. Are you getting what I'm saying? So to that concept of take profit, this is where once you click on this particular, you click on this. Once you open your MT4, I believe you all know, you all have downloaded your MT4 from the part one. Once you click on this particular blue arrow, then you click on this red arrow next. So it should take you here to see the SL is the stop loss. This is where you input your stop loss, and the TP is the take profit. This is where you input your take profit. Are you getting what I'm saying? So this is where your blue arrow to the red arrow, you click and you set a stop loss there, you set a take profit there. You don't just set them, you must have knowledge about forex. Are you getting what I'm saying? You must have knowledge about forex before you can do that. Now I'm going, because I have my data and I put my phone on the play mode, I'm going to like show you on the screen right now so that you know what I'm talking about. Maybe using the current market that is going on to show you on the screen right now. Now you can see that you can see what I'm talking about. Like, this is the current market that is going on right now. Let me on my data. Okay. Yeah, I don't want any disturbance initially. That's why I have the data. Yeah, to just boost the whole thing. You can just see the movement of the market. I get what I'm saying. Now, this is just the market that just been placed. You get what I'm saying? So if you now want to set your take profit and you want to set your stop loss, I've already inserted the market. You can see my entry. This is my entry. I just make it like few minutes ago before we begin this particular lecture. You can see my entry here. This is my entry here. You can see it. I enter with 0.2 because I'm maintaining my risk management. Definitely, I'm going to show you. Don't worry. Now, this is the current market that is going on. Another H4 candle we enter now because we are almost at 3 p.m. Nigerian time, 2 p.m. GMT. So this is the market that is going on right now. Now, I entered this trade purposefully without setting my stop loss and my take profit. I get what I'm saying, so that I can explain this concept for you. Now you can hold your trade. If you hold it, you see close order, new order, modify order. If you Do that, you modify. I get what I'm saying. Now let me still go back. You can still flip your trade like you're changing your pictures on your phone like this. You can see it from this side where you are seeing the pen. It also means modify. So you click on it to modify as well. That is it. I get what I'm saying. You don't just set your stop loss or you set your take profits like that. You must have the knowledge of forex before you can do that. And if you click on this particular one, this particular is the sign of chart, is where you see your chart. You click on it, you see your chart, you see the movement of the market. New candle is going to form right now. Okay, still forming. Just enter at each one. That's good. Now, so that is all about the take profit. So let me set the stop loss for you now. Now, according to this, my analysis right now. Now, many traders in the world will be expecting that after this doji, this four-legged doji, don't worry, don't get confused as a beginner, but it's a candlestick, that there should be a bearish reversal from this after from Nasdaq. But there is something we call power of the trend. Power of the trend is more than the candlestick analysis, but many people don't discover that. Power of the trend is far more than the candlestick analysis, but they don't know that, and that is part of the thing that I'm going to like show you. Now look at it. Now look at it. You can see that this is a doji. If I want to put my stop loss, there is nothing that can make this market to drop below this particular doji any longer. But to just be on the safer part, now my entry is 1.36. Okay, let me just check my entry here. 1.36038. 1.36038. This is my entry. 1.36. Okay, 03. Let's just use 03. Now, if I now want to set my stop loss to be here, if I want to set my stop loss to be here, that is okay. To be, let me just say 353. That is 30 pips stop loss. Now, I've already make analysis on this, so my stop loss will now be 1.3573. 73, let me just put 73, 1.3573, 1.3573. Then it below 30 pips actually. So you can see where I set my stop loss. I've already modified my stop loss. Can you see it? I've already modified my stop loss. You can see my stop loss 1.3573, and it will show there 1.3573, 1.3573. You can see what I'm saying. 1.3573, 1.3573, 1.3573, 1.3573, 1.3573. 1.3573. Now you can see that is I just set my stop loss now. You've gotten the concept of stop loss from what I just said right now. If I want to set my take profit now, I've already made my analysis. I know where the take profit is going, and it's definitely going to that take profit. But that will be my, I only set my final take profit because I do have my take profit 1, 2, 3. You are going to learn that to my academy, don't worry. That is some skills of how to secure some profit. But this is the final take profit. You can all quote me around the world. This is the final take profit. This is going to 1.3800. Trust me, it's going to break that particular zero Fibonacci. And if you are using support and resistance, if you're an assistant trader, it's going to break this and go straight. I'm going to show you now. Let me use W1 so that you can see my take profit. And it's going to get it to this particular level. You can see this particular level. This is my take profit 1.3800. You can calculate the pip yourself. Like that is how many pip like that. That is close to 200 pips. Are you getting what I'm saying? Is going to that particular stage 100%. I'm telling you. So you already know where to set your take profit. This is where you to set your take profit from. You can see it. You can see where I click on that particular cross to get this. I can set it from the beginning as well. You can see I'm still going to edit them to my take profit 1 and 2 because I will just leave 2 positions to reach that level. When you swing a trade, you should be expecting some drama sometimes. I get what I'm saying. Now, if I want to make this to like set my take profit, now let me make it 100. Okay, I'll just put it at 1.3. Okay, let me just cancel this so that you know that I can set from the beginning. 1.3703. Let me just put this so that my 100 pips will be completed. That's the micro pips, the last one. So that is it. I get what I'm saying? That is it. So now going to this particular place now, you will see that there are different currency pairs here. We have the base currency and the quote currency, like GBP USD now. The GBP is the base and the USD is the quote. Most of the time, the base are stronger than the quote. Are you getting what I'm saying? So it happens most of the time. Most of the time, 90% of the time. Like now, it's USD CHF. You understand? USD card. So the base are always stronger most of the time. And this one, they are calculating 4 decimal places. GBP pairs are calculated in 4 decimal places. 0 GBP are calculated in 4 decimal places. USD card are calculated in 4 decimal places. Then only JPY are calculated in 2 decimal places, and gold is calculated in 1 decimal place. So I'm going to off my data again right now. You can see the market is already bullish. I get what I'm saying. So I'm going to off my data again right now so that it won't distract our conversation. That is why I just need to show you about the take profit and this thing. I just entered the market right now and is ready on profit. You can see right now we are moving on profit, man. We are catching this money. Don't worry. So that is forex. So that's you welcome to Pascal by G Square Academy. So that is all I can just show you. Your leverage is what that makes me to use just that current balance, because I was not actually flipping the account, but I was just building the account because my target is to make that account up to $100,000 in 2 trading months. 2 trading months is still under proper risk management. If I actually want to flip that account, I can just do it in like 3 weeks or a month, which I'm still going to be showing you some challenge that I do give myself most of the time. Are you getting what I'm saying? That I will tell myself that I want to flip $100 into $10,000 in a trading week, sometimes 2 trading week, if I don't want to stress myself on analysis too much. Are you getting what I'm saying? So when you get to the academy, you are going to know much. I've already shown you the lot size. I'm using 0.2 so that you can just, that is, I've already explained to you that one standard lot, a pip is 10, a pip is $10. On a micro lot, a pip is $1. On a mini lot, a pip is 10 cents. So you should calculate that to maybe 2 lots or two standard lot or 2 micro lot or 2 mini lot. I get what I'm saying. Concerning your risk management, I'm going to do a video on this. I might call it bonus video. I'm going to do video on this risk management, common mistake made by traders, trading plans, and how to use your MT4 properly for beginners. So this is me, Oyele Sheyi, also known as Patka G Square. There is my number on the screen. Plus 2348168350825. Message me on WhatsApp. I'm always here to help. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and turn on your notification button, because once we reach 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to be dropping free signals for everybody. There is no platform that is going to give you free signals. I'm telling you reality, and I'm ready to be doing this for you. And as soon as we reach 50,000 subscribers, let me have my data and put it on play mode so that it won't be disturbing us. Okay. And once we reach 50,000 subscribers, are you getting what I'm saying? Once we reach 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to be dropping live analysis. We'll be trading together. You'll be seeing my chart. So I'll be telling you the next direction of the market. We trade during London section. We trade during the New York section. We trade during Frankfurt section. Are you getting what I'm saying? And even if we are available during Tokyo section, we can still trade, because there are some tricks that happens there, especially during Cindy section, like the Aussie, the Australia. There are some candlestick that forms most of the time, like some piercing line that might drop 100 pips down. Pew! 100 pips up. Pim. Are you getting what I'm saying? Those techniques and those stuff I'm going to let you know. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and turn on the notification button. It is very, very important. This will ginger me to do more. This will encourage me to do more. Thank you and God bless you. Don't forget, God is always with us. I'm Patka by G Square. Peace out.